The next extension we'll discuss is user-defined table value functions. And as its name would suggest, TVFs return a single table type value. You can see in the example on the left that the syntax for TVFs are very similar to UDFs, but even more simplified. So we have the create header section first, where we define our function's name and receive parameters. But for TVFs, the return type will always state table. Since TVFs only execute a single select statement and return that table, we also don't need begin and end statements. We simply return the select statement altogether. TVFs can be thought of as essentially parameterized views. So if you've worked with views before, you'll know that they are essentially stored queries that define virtual tables, and you can query them as you would regular tables. The added functionality that TVFs give you is that they can accept parameters. Now, in this fairly simple example, we are returning a subset of a table using the limit keyword. We can pass in an integer to assign the limit to whatever we want. Table value functions can also reference other TVFs inside the function body, and when doing so, the TVF result set can be queried just like a table. So in this example, our first TVF is essentially filtering the sales table down to a specified month. The second TVF runs a select statement from the result set of the first TVF, then performing some additional aggregations and limiting the parameter number. This would give us a quick and easy way to output the top N salespeople in a given month without having to rewrite the query multiple times. So if we wanted the top 5 salespeople in March or the number 1 best salesperson in July, we could use this single TVF.